Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in the Trust Wallet app. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet application installed on your mobile device. Once installed, you'll need to either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout. It's designed for straightforward navigation. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth purchasing experience. Now let's get your wallet funded. Open your Trust Wallet and look for the Buy button, usually prominent on the main screen. Tap it, and you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the specific coin you want. Next, you'll choose from several integrated third-party payment providers. Enter the amount you wish to spend, keeping in mind minimum purchase requirements, which can be around $50. After selecting your crypto and amount, carefully review all transaction details. This includes any associated fees and the final total cost. Many third-party providers require a one-time identity verification, often called KYC, for security and regulatory compliance. Follow their prompts to complete this step. Once verified, confirm your purchase. Your new cryptocurrency should appear in your Trust Wallet within minutes, though sometimes it can take a bit longer. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always safeguard your recovery phrase. Never share it or store it digitally. Write it down and keep it in a secure, offline location. Enable all available security features within the app, such as passcodes and biometric authentication, for an extra layer of protection. Remember to only send crypto to trusted addresses. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.